Let's blood this monkey. Outbreak monkey. Ah. Ah. Little outbreak monkey we made. We made him out of scrap, mostly scrap, you know. His teeth are forks. Anyway, I'm going to use some Rip City Haunt Sauce, which is stuff that I actually like a lot. Now, I think he bit people. You know, I think there's some biting that happened. So I think he's got a little on him. And I think that monkey claws maybe did some damage, you know. So I think there's going to be a little bit on his little monkey hands. We got a little bloody outbreak monkey. I mean, this can have a little bit of dynamic motion to it by putting a fan on it. He's hanging by his tail. Go make stuff!